Hi guys, it's Louise. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this 90s inspired bronzy look. So if you want to see me create this look, then keep on watching. So today I'm experimenting on face tape. This one is the Art Harding's Instant Facelift and Necklift. I decided to use a face tape today just to see how snatched I could go with this look. Yes, look at that snatch, girl. First things first, skincare. Before painting your beautiful canvas, you have to prime it first. I'm going for a more matte finish today, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to use a highlighter. So this technique is applying the highlighter first before applying a matte foundation, so you get that inner glow. By doing that technique, you also give dimension to your face, so it's not just flat. Because of the highlighter, the face has more dimension even though the finish of your skin is matte. Don't forget to wipe the excess foundation on your brows. To reinforce that snatch, I'm applying a concealer that's a tiny bit lighter than my actual skin tone on the areas where I'm gonna highlight. Then on my under eye, I'm mixing a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. When contouring, start drawing a slanted line from the upper end of your ear till the end of your brows. Then on your jawline, and on your forehead, and on your nose. Blending time, so blend the contour first before the concealer. That way, the concealer is more tacky and it will give its maximum coverage. So when you blend your jawline, blend it downwards, not upwards, otherwise it will look like you have a beard. So blend it seamlessly until you see no lines. Make sure when you blend your nose contour, you don't disrupt the highlighter in the middle. Otherwise, it will just look muddy. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend out all the concealer that I applied. You have to be light-handed when blending the concealer, especially under eye, because you don't want to disrupt the foundation underneath. So I'm going back with the brush that I used to contour just to smoothen out everything. So I'm applying my blush upwards and not concentrating on the apples of my cheeks. That way, it's gonna reinforce that snatched look. I know I said I'm going for a matte look, but I just can't help it. I'm going back with my highlighter. As you can see, I'm not baking, I'm just lightly patting powder underneath my eyes and all the areas where I highlighted using the concealer. I didn't bake because I know that the Illamasqua powder will set my makeup even without baking, and that way we will avoid any extra texture. I'm toning down the pinkness of the blush using my favorite MAC Gingerly. And more highlighter. I just can't stop myself. For the eyes, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. I actually lost the footage of where I'm applying the base of the eyeshadow, but my technique for this one is mainly brushing the eyeshadow upwards. With any look, it is essential to highlight the inner corners of your eyes and your brow bone just to give dimension and depth to your eyes. Using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner, I'm outlining the areas where I'm going to apply my black eyeliner, but I'm going to diffuse it and not leave it blunt. Now going to my favorite part of every look, the eyeliner. So, we've outlined the area where I'm going to apply this black eyeliner, so it's easier to perfect that black line. And now it's time to do the flick. So draw the flick starting at the end of your lash line and until how high you want it to be, and then connect it to your outline. So to finish off with the eyes, I'm applying the Shali Lashes Synthetic Lashes in 5D number 7. I like drawing hair-like strokes first before shaping my brows. And we're almost done. I can't believe I'm going to apply more highlighter. A big thing during the 90s, which is actually coming back these days, is outlining your lips with a darker shade of lip liner. I'm applying a lighter shade of lip liner on the inner areas of my lips to enhance that pout. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. So see you next time. Bye!